I'm talking about? But hey, man, you know, when you true to it, people gonna see that you true to it. You know, you ain't gotta have new shoes, just keep them hoes clean, man. You ain't gotta have 20s, man. You can have some 10s, long as them hoes clean, man. Know what I'm saying? Already.
Alright, what's up? I'm back, and just to give a little update, as you can see in the background, the wagon is back, and luckily it was the fuel pump like I said, and it was under warranty, so I didn't have to pay nothing to get the new pump in, and it didn't charge me anything on the labor. So why does that look bent? But yeah, let me show y'all. I'm out here getting her. Oh, why is that flipped? Washed off. About to head home and finish the little bit of kill mat that I got to install on a few parts that I didn't get to do. Like I said before, the last time, it did help with it, the exhaust fumes getting in, which the exhaust fumes are really heavy. I had changed mufflers and stuff not too long ago, but I got to figure out what I got to do about these heavy fumes coming out, and I'm gonna be getting rid of these rear tailpipes. And I think I'm gonna have them stop right before the rear axle or right after the rear axle. Because if I notice when towing, since it sits low, I may raise it, but those pipes always get dragged, and you can tell how that one's been getting bent. But the exhaust it's not as heavy in the inside anymore, so I can tell that the kill mat did help with that and the sound, so that's a plus. So like I said, I just got to finish the doors and finish the little corner pieces that I didn't get to, and that's it. So just give y'all a little update on that. Thank God, like I said, it wasn't nothing else besides that fuel pump. So one thing about these Caprices, you'll notice if it's the fuel pump, as soon as you turn the ignition over, you normally hear that fuel pump kick in. And I knew when I wasn't hearing it kick in, it was like, man, it's gotta be the fuel pump. But I just had it changed. Maybe it would have been 18 months, and I think the warranty was like 24 or 18 months. But the warranty would have been expiring in August of 24. So I'm glad it did happen right now. So if any of you guys know, like I said, I haven't been driving this a lot because y'all know I'm working on it. So I just take it out every now and then, wash it, run it a little bit, nothing heavy. But I've heard that those could be the problems with these fuel pumps nowadays, because they not making cars like they used to. They used to make cars, parts last forever, for years. Now the battery, I done changed what? I got a new one. That one went bad. It was still under warranty. I had to go get another one. And then that one just went bad before, maybe like a month ago. But my warranty expired, so I had to buy a brand new battery. So I went ahead and got a good one. I think it had like 36 months or somewhere in there on the warranty on it. But a lot of these parts they making nowadays are just not lasting long. So hey, if you got any ideals, or you the Ink Nation out there, got any tips on these LT1s with fuel pumps, or if you don't drive them long, will they just continue to give problems? But later down the line, I'm probably gonna upgrade that anyway. That's my last step that I want to do for now is probably the engine. So thinking about just keeping the LT1 and just getting it bored over into a 396, something to give me 500 horsepower easy, and I'm good with that. I don't need nothing crazy. This is gonna be my cruiser, and that'll be it. But that'll probably be the last step after I get the body straightened out and everything else. So, hey, just wanted to give y'all an update and all my subscribers. Thanks for tuning in. Go ahead, hit that thumbs up, hit that notification bell, and stay up to date with Mr. Mo Style and the Mo Style fam. Peace.
I'm talking about, but hey, man, you know, when you true to it, people gonna see that you true to it. You know, you ain't gotta have new shoes, just keep them hoes clean, man. You ain't gotta have 20s, man. You can have some 10s, long as them hoes clean, man. You know what I'm saying? Already.